Hi everyone, it's Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. Since Valentine's is right around the corner, I thought let's create a Valentine inspired makeup look using all new products and some of the existing products that I have. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then definitely keep on watching till the end and let's get started. Let's get started with skincare first because I haven't done any. Of course, I'm gonna start off with my favorite toner of all time. This is by Tony Moly. It's their Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. I absolutely love this and मैं इतना almost खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. I've already spoken about this in my Jan favorites video. So yeah, going in with this first. My skin absolutely loves this toner. It instantly feels so hydrated. And look at that glow that it gives. Sometimes my skin is so dry कि first time जब मैं लगाती हूँ, it just instantly soaks it up. So sometimes I like to go in with another layer of this. Look at that bounce, look at that glow. Give it some time, let it soak in, and then I'm gonna go ahead with a moisturizer. This is by Pilgrim. It's their Squalane Glow Moisturizer. Again, absolutely love this one. I've almost finished this up. Of course, gonna go ahead with a generous layer of this as well. This again keeps my skin super moisturized and gives that beautiful glow from within. Prep is very important. You want to make sure that your skin is hydrated. There are no dry patches for your foundation or base to cling on. So yeah, prep your skin very thoroughly. Look at that glow. Love it. Skin prep is done. It's looking beautiful. Let's move on to the fun step, which is makeup. So the first product I'll be using is the Mars God's Glow Illuminator. Again, I have spoken about this product. Beautiful product. I'm not gonna apply a lot of it. I'm gonna try to keep it minimal, just where I want it to glow. So a little bit over here on the forehead, a little bit on the nose, a little bit on the cheeks. That's it. With this product, I have realized less is more. It gives a beautiful glow on your skin, a very healthy glow. It also has a slight coverage because you can clearly see the before and after. It has concealed beautifully over here. Sometimes I just like to use this as my foundation. For my base, I have a new product that I'm gonna try out. It's by Kiro. It's their Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. Definitely not a new product, but it is a new product for me. I've never tried this. I am in the shade Sun Beige 02. This has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and niacinamide. Let's put this to test. So I'm just gonna use like a itana. We can take more if we need. Definitely looks like a perfect match for me. Coverage wise, I would say this is a light to medium coverage. It's definitely very lightweight and gives a very sheer to light coverage. I don't think it covered a lot. I could definitely see one pimple popping off right over there. But coverage wise, I like it. I like it minimal. So yeah, I will definitely use this on the Valentine's Day as well. It gives a beautiful light dewy coverage. Exactly how I like it. Is this my favorite foundation of all times? Maybe not. Next, for concealer, I don't think I need a lot of it, so I'm just gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer and just a slight touch of this. You guys know I absolutely love this concealer. It's a full coverage concealer. Add a little bit on that pimple. I don't think I need a lot, so just a little bit near the face as well. I love this concealer a lot. Even if you're using like a skin tint or very light coverage foundation or base, you can go in with this concealer and just cover up almost anything that you want to be covered. Dark circles se leke any blemishes, because this is beautiful concealer. Does not crease, settle in the fine lines, nothing like that. Beautiful coverage, and just look at that. So seamless. It also brightens up my under eyes or any area that I've applied it to. So yeah, I love it. See? Covered. I definitely need to set everything in place, and for that I'll be using the Mars Trend Setting Powder, and I have the soft light one. Cream products definitely enhance your textures and pores. I feel the powder just smooths everything in and kind of gives it a filter like blur. Do you see? Before and after. So powder is very important, especially near the under eye area. This is something I've learned the hard way. So even if I am a dry skin type, I still end up powdering my face because it just looks so much better. Wherever you have applied concealer, just go ahead and apply a little bit of powder near the T-zone area. You don't have to powder the whole face. I mean, it looks good even if you do powder your whole face, and then just set everything in. That just blends the powder and cream products all together. So yeah, don't be scared of powdering your face. I used to never powder my face. Another new product that I'll be trying on today is this one by Nudestix. I've never tried Nudestix products, so I'm very excited about it. Now this one is a 3-piece set. This one has their blush, the bronzer, as well as the highlighter. I've heard so many good things about this, so let's try it out. I love the packaging of the product, very sleek. I love the black box. You can definitely use it to keep different stuff, and all the 3 products are right over here. This is the size it comes in. I think this is so cute and great to travel with. So this is the highlighter in the shade Hey Honey. This is their blush in the shade Bohemian Rose. This is the bronzer in the shade Bondi Bay. And the cap of the tin has a mirror, which I have already broke. So first, let's try out their bronzer. So it comes in this twist of packaging, and this is the max capacity of the product. So very little, I would say, for the price that I've paid. I'm gonna apply this over here, just a slight bit on the nose. One side I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it in, and on the other side I'll be using a brush. I want to see how well it performs. Okay, this is not showing up on my face at all. But I love how lightweight it is, and it's so easy to blend. This is how it's looking after blending in. I feel like it's not even showing up. Let's try this side using a brush. Okay, now that I've blended both sides, I definitely feel it did contour my face. So this is the finished look. This is how the bronzer is looking on my face. Let's go ahead with the blush. This is how the shade looks like. Let me give you guys a swatch. It's a beautiful pink shade. Wow. I love the shade. It almost feels like a highlighter blush. Look at the glow that it's giving on my face. I'm gonna use a brush on this side. Let's see if it works better with a brush or my fingers. But I feel iska formula aisa hai na, it would work better with fingers. This is showing up because I use my fingers, and I feel like the brush just wiped all the product off. So yeah, don't use a brush with this product. Definitely go in with your fingers. So it's a great every single day use kind of a product where you just want a quick fix and you want your face to look pretty. The bronzer was okay, but this blush shade, oh my god, I love it. I love the shade Bohemian Rose, a beautiful shade. Let's use this all over the lid as well. So I'm trying to create like a monochromatic look with these 3 shades basically, and this is how it looks on the lid. I think it looks beautiful on the lids as well. It just gave a beautiful flush of color all over the lid. I love this. You can definitely use this as a blush and as an eyeshadow stick as well. Let's finish this look off with some highlighter. This is how the highlighter looks like. It's called Hey Honey. Let me just swatch it for you guys. It's a beautiful golden, champagne-y golden shade. I'm very excited about this. Let's try it out. Almost creating like a C using this product. Wow, do you guys see that glow? It's looking so natural. Like before, after. Like, it's giving such a beautiful healthy glow to my skin. I love this. This is definitely my favorite out of all three. It almost feels like a natural glow from within. Wow. I know. I've never highlighted my nose. So let's see. Hopefully it looks good. A little bit on the upper lid. Beautiful, beautiful. This is definitely my favorite highlighter for sure. This is how the look has turned out using this set. I absolutely love it. It's a beautiful texture, and the way it blends and the way it looks on your skin, it's so healthy, beautiful glow. Perfect for the Valentines. And if you want to gift your girlfriend, I would say just go for it. It's a beautiful set. I think the eye look will look more better with some brown kajal, so I'm just gonna go ahead with L'Oreal Smoky Kajal in the shade brown and line my under a waterline as well as a little bit on the upper lid as well. Yeah, it definitely added a bit more character to the eye look. Let's take care of the eyebrows now. For eyebrows, first I'm going to use the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This has the brow product on one end and spoolie on the other. You guys saw how easy it is to work with this product. It filled in all the bald spots and just gave me the perfect eyebrows that I need. So yeah, a 10 out of 10, definitely check this product out. And then I'm gonna set this brows in with e.l.f. Wow Brow Tinted Gel. Now on days when I'm just heading out, I just like to use this product because this does have a little bit of tint and a little bit of fiber as well. Let me just show you guys. So it has this tint as well as few fibers, so that just fills your eyebrows in and gives you the perfect look. But I have filled in my brows, so I'm just going to use this as just to laminate it a bit and set it in place. And this is how my eyebrows look after using this product. Both the eyebrow product by e.l.f. are perfect, and they have just changed my eyebrow game since I've started using them. They just look so good. I love it. Definitely give this one a grab. For lips, I'll be using the FAE Redefined Lip Liner in the shade Top Line. It's a beautiful light brown shade. I feel this definitely does have a bit of red hints in it as well. This glides like butter. Like, I'm not kidding, this is so easy to use. It just glides beautifully, and this is how the lip liner looks. I definitely feel it has a brown and a hint of red in it as well. And to fill my lips in, I was gonna use this Etude Fixing Lip Tint in the shade 16 Baked Pecan. Let me just show you guys this shade. It's a beautiful color. Let's swatch it over here. It's a beautiful pink color, but I think with this will look a little bit too dark. So I'm actually gonna use Cranberry Plum. I think with this pink look, this will look better. I think Cranberry Plum just complements this look so much better and just tied the whole look together. And this fixing tint by Etude is so good. It's definitely a matte lip shade, but it's so comfortable on your lips. It does not settle in the cracks or fine lines of your lips and just gives a very beautiful blurring look. This along with this lip liner, I love it. Let's complete this makeup look with some mascara, and for that I'll be using the Rom&nd Hand All Fix Mascara in the shade L01 Long Black. इसका मैंने actually एक reel देखा था. There was an Asian woman who was swearing कि ये product gives her the longest lashes, as well as if she curls it, it stays for a really long time. Asian lashes are very short and it doesn't curl properly, so if it works on her, I really wanted to try this one out for myself as well. So let's see if it works. I'm just gonna curl my lashes quickly and let's put it to test. I have literally not used this product. It's very different. It has brushes only on one side of it. Actually on the other side as well, it has very short ones, and it's definitely curved like this. So this is the before and this is the after. I definitely feel it gives a bunch of length to my natural lashes, and it definitely kept the curls well. One thing I like about this mascara, it did not clump my lashes. If you apply it properly, like wiggling it out, it separates the lashes, so it gives a very beautiful clustered look, and it does not feel very spidery and very spiky at all. So yeah, let's do the other eye as well. Okay, one thing that I like about this mascara is you can reach the inner corners, like the small hair as well with this, because of the way the wand is shaped. So that's what I really like about this. I'm gonna set everything in with Mars Seal the Deal makeup fixer. Beautiful makeup fixer, love this one. This is just gonna blend your cream and powder products together and gives you a beautiful flawless finish, and it's gonna make your makeup last so much more longer. And this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. I've also put my storefront link जहाँ पर आपको सारे products एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे. Definitely get the shopping done now because Amazon's ultimate brand sale is live from 6th to 13th Feb, and you can get minimum 40% off plus extra 10% off if you are a Prime member. So yeah, get the shopping done now. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Anywhere you go,